Meneladani Nelson Mandela, sang kakek yang merupakan ikon anti-apartheid dunia, Mandela ikut serta dalam perjalanan berisiko tinggi Global Summit Flotilla.
Mandela juga mewakili Afrika Selatan yang berada di garda terdepan berjuang untuk meminta pertanggungjawaban dari Zionis Israel di Mahkamah Pidana Internasional atas kejahatan perang terhadap rakyat Palestina.
Ya, saat ini saya sedang berada bersama dengan cucu dari Nelson Mandela, salah satu ikon anti-apartheid dari Afrika Selatan. Dan nanti Chief Mandla Mandela akan bergabung langsung dengan Global Summit Flotilla. Kita akan berbicara lebih lanjut langsung dengan Chief Mandla.
Yes.
Okay. Chief Mandla, thank you for your time. You're from Indonesian Media Metro TV. You were saying that what Palestinians experiencing is far worse than the apartheid that Africans ever experienced. Can you mention more about that? Can you explain more?
Many of us, as South Africans that have visited the occupied territories in Palestine, have come out with one conclusion, that what the Palestinians are experiencing is far worse than what we experienced in apartheid South Africa. They are undergoing a live genocide. They are being exterminated. We are witnessing war crimes and crimes against humanity. And as South Africans who have been beneficiaries of international solidarity, this freedom we enjoy today is because the global community stood side by side with us during the anti-apartheid movement. And in this regard, we have become the voice of the oppressed and the most vulnerable nations around the globe. It is important to us that as Africans in particular, who have undergone colonialism and have to wage a struggle for liberation against brutal regimes on our continent, we know what it means to live under occupation and under oppression. And therefore, we are here in Tunisia to join the Global Summit Flotilla and ensure that this mission is a success. Our aim is simply to break the blockade and end the siege on Gaza and bring the much needed humanitarian aid to the Palestinians in Gaza.
South Africa has been in the front line for Palestinian issues, for the ICJ, of course, South Africa. Now, what does this mission mean? Do you think there will be any change? Because civilians should not risk their life for this.
Well, as much as South Africa has been able to take the apartheid Israeli regime to the International Court of Justice, as well as the International Criminal Court, we know very well that our work is far from over. My grandfather, His Excellency President Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela, always used to say, as long as there is one human being suffering in the world, our work is far from over. We therefore say to the apartheid state of Israel that it doesn't matter what threats you put to us. Our mission is a non-violent mission. We have no arms, but an intention on ensuring that the Palestinians are not starved to death. And that is our only concern.
Thank you, Chief Mandla. Stay safe. See you on the boat.
Meeting you.
Yes.
We're looking forward to visiting you in Indonesia.
Sure.
Thank you.
Ya, itu tadi memang Mandela ini adalah tokoh yang tentu saja sangat penting dalam perjuangan terhadap mereka yang tertindas, karena Afrika Selatan ini memang menjadi garda terdepan dalam upaya untuk menghentikan genosida yang terjadi di Palestina. Mereka mengajukan tuntutan sehingga ada perintah penangkapan di Mahkamah Pidana Internasional terhadap penjahat perang Benjamin Netanyahu dan juga menteri-menteri ekstrim yang berada di kelompok Zionis Israel. Dan juga saat ini Mandela akhirnya memutuskan untuk ikut dalam Global Summit Flotilla bersama ratusan delegasi lainnya untuk membuktikan dan bahwa genosida ini tidak bisa terus berlangsung, dan ingin menunjukkan kepada dunia, kepada mereka yang berwenang, mereka yang sebenarnya punya kekuatan untuk menghentikan, bahwa warga sipil tidak akan diam saja melihat kekerasan, kekejaman yang terus dilakukan oleh Zionis Israel di tanah Palestina. Dari Tunisia, Iqbal Himawan, Yahdin Syafrizal, Metro TV.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.